In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Instagram. We're going to do this by using your web browser's settings, which control site-specific notifications from the Instagram website. This is perfect if you keep getting desktop pop-ups from Instagram and want them gone. Keep in mind, we're focusing on browser notifications here, not the in-app notifications on your phone. First, open your browser settings. You'll usually find this by clicking the menu in the top right corner of your browser window and selecting Settings. If your browser has a search bar inside the Settings page, that can make things quicker, but the goal is simply to get into the main settings area. Next, head to Site Settings, then open the Notifications section. This area manages which websites are allowed to show you alerts. Think of it as the control center for those pop-up banners and sounds that appear while you're browsing. If you're not sure where Site Settings is, look for a Privacy and Security section and then find the area that mentions Site Permissions or Content Settings. You're in the right place when you see options for Allow and Block lists for notifications. Now, find Instagram.com in your notifications list. It might appear under Allowed if you're currently receiving pop-ups. Some browsers group sites alphabetically, and a search box may help you locate Instagram faster. You may also see variations like www.instagram.com. That's fine, it's still Instagram. If you don't see it listed, it likely means the site hasn't asked to send notifications in this browser yet, or it was never allowed. In that case, there's nothing for you to silence because it isn't sending you alerts through the browser. Once you've located Instagram.com, click Block. You may see this as a toggle. You can switch from Allow to Block, or an option in a drop-down. Blocking tells your browser to stop Instagram from showing any notifications on your computer. The change takes effect immediately. If you have an Instagram tab open, you can refresh it to make sure the new setting is recognized. From now on, you won't receive desktop notification prompts from Instagram in this browser. That's all you need. You opened your browser settings, went to Site Settings and Notifications, found Instagram.com, and set it to block. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place and switch it back to Allow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep distractions to a minimum while you browse.